Today, I want to talk to you about foundation wall cracks and when they should be a concern. Typically, we have two types of foundation walls. We have block wall construction and poured wall construction. When it comes to block walls, almost any crack could be a potential problem. So if you see a horizontal crack or vertical crack, diagonal crack, or stair-step cracking, those are all signs of a settlement issue or bending wall failure. Something you definitely want to get looked at sooner rather than later. Now, when it comes to a poured wall, understand that there are a lot of normal cracks in poured walls. They could be simple shrinkage cracks or little hairline cracks that might not even reflect a structural issue. But if you're noticing cracks that are wider, that you could stick a nickel or a quarter into, or God forbid, even one of your little fingers in, it is important that you also call the experts. If you see diagonal, vertical, or horizontal cracks that are so severe that one side of the crack is sticking out further than the other, that is definitely something you want checked out. So if you think you have any of these issues, give us a call. We'd be happy to come out for a completely free inspection and give you back your peace of mind.